बबालै लाग्यो है।
हजुरलाई हाम्रो रोलर कोस्टर चाहिँ कस्तो लाग्यो?
दिदी कस्तो लाग्यो भन्नु त? रोलर कोस्टर कस्तो लाग्यो तपाईँहरूलाई?
नाइस एडभेन्चरस ल
Easy for the start, but slowly, when you go around, then swings, like very scary. A bit scary in between, but like ideally.
Really great, and I think everybody should do it. Second time. Yeah, always. Enjoying a lot here and there, and still it was nice.